You can use Perplexity for academic or research purposes, and the simplest way to do that is by writing a keyword or topic in Perplexity and then selecting the academic resources. Now, let me give you one quick example. Let's say I want to learn more about lithium-ion battery limitation. That's going to be my topic, and here you can click this icon and disable web, but you can enable academic resources, so it will start pulling data only from websites that are affiliated or related to academic or research purposes. And I think this is a good way to get a more credible and trustworthy answer using Perplexity. But I heard that some people say this method is not always reliable. Sometimes it is still pulling data from non-academic resources, so you really cannot always trust on it. So instead, I do recommend to use the second method, which is a bit better, and maybe you'll find this method to be a lot better and a lot easier to use. So here, there is a feature called Spaces in Perplexity, and they actually have provided a template for anyone that wants to use Perplexity for research. So you can navigate to Spaces right here, go to Templates, and go to Research, and then click this option that says Open Research Explorer. And there you go. So this is basically a public space that Perplexity has created, and these are just some examples that they showcase. Now let's try the same topic again. Lithium-ion battery limitation. Okay, that's the same keyword. There is no option to select web search because again, it is a template that has been set up. Now let me just click this button to start the research. And you will see that it will only pulling data from a more credible, trustworthy academic resources. So let's go to resources, and you'll see that these websites are definitely very prolific in the academic field. And I think it's a bit more trustworthy than some regular websites out there. And the best part is that you can actually copy the template and use it on your own space, so you can modify the instruction and you can set it everything to be private, so that you don't have to, publicly telling people about what you're researching. Now, if you want to copy this as your private space, you can go to the page again. Okay, now you can click this button that says use this template, and it will copy, and it is becoming your own space, and you can access it by going to Spaces, and then you can click the space that was created before, and this is the one that is now in your Perplexity account. You can click the context button and you can see the instruction that is being used for this particular space. Feel free to modify it. That's basically it. So you can use either the regular way to research on Perplexity, which is by going to starting the chat via the homepage and then selecting the academic resources, or you can also start research using the space or Open Research Explorer space in Perplexity. So I hope this video is giving you some inspiration or some knowledge about how to better use Perplexity for research and academic purposes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.